In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror or flip an image in Google Docs. This is a simple yet effective way to transform your images directly within a Google Doc without resorting to external software. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to have your Google Doc open and ready. Once you're there, look towards the top menu and click on Insert. Under Insert, you'll see an option for Drawing. Go ahead and click on that. A little side menu will pop up, and from there, you'll need to click on New. This action opens up the Drawing tool, which is where the magic happens. Now within this drawing window, you'll see an icon that looks like a small image. It's labeled as Image. Click on that and you'll be prompted to upload a picture. If your image is saved on your computer like mine, you'll need to browse your files to find it. Once you've located the image you'd like to flip, select it and click Open. Give it a moment to upload. How fast this happens may depend on your internet connection, so having a speedy provider can be beneficial. Once your image has loaded, you're ready to get to the fun part, manipulating the image itself. Look for the Actions button, which is typically found at the top of your drawing window. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll find several options for flipping and rotating your image. You can rotate your image clockwise by 90 degrees or counterclockwise by 90 degrees. For our purpose today, we're interested in the flipping options. You can flip your image horizontally, imagine looking in a mirror, or vertically, which might feel like you're turning the image upside down. Let's try flipping the image vertically for our demonstration. Go ahead and select that option. You should see your image instantly change according to the transformation you've applied. If everything looks good to you and you're happy with the flip, the final step is saving your work. Find the Save and Close button, usually located at the top right corner of the drawing window. Clicking this will insert your now flipped image back into your Google Doc, perfectly aligned on your page. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully mirrored or flipped an image in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Remember, efficiently working with your images can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your documents. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.